Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning 1 to 10 counting. This is our colors. Dark green color, orange color, brown color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, baby pink color and black color. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 1 0 10 10 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10